back. So I have my engine oil filter, and the necessary tools, and yeah, that's all. These are some cardboards. I'll show you guys how this come to use in a moment. And yeah, this is to collect the old engine oil, so I'll need this, and that's the funnel. So let's begin. Alright, so the first thing that you need to have is a 22-inch spanner. It would be good if you have a ratchet wrench, but I don't have it right now with me at the moment. It's in Bangalore, so I'll have to use this one. I mean, it's okay to use this one. There's no issues. You can work with this too. Start loosening this up. So this is 22. Okay. So once that is loose, I'm gonna take the cardboard and insert it like this. The reason I'm using this cardboard is because if I open this, then the oil will go directly into the bash plate, which I don't want to happen. So I'm gonna use this one, keep it over there, so that the oil just flows through here onto the what do you call this, some kind of thing. Okay. Let's open this. Whoa, now that is a bad engine oil. What the hell? I seriously needed some engine oil change. Alright, so the engine oil is completely out right now. I mean, it's almost out. So what you need to do now is grab a 8mm T-spanner and loosen these bolts. You want to take this thing out. This should be pretty easy. Keep that aside. Okay, so I've got these things out and I cleaned them with WD-40. I recorded that, but then you know, the GoPro bugs, it just turned off. My GoPro's been acting really weird lately, so it doesn't matter. So what you need to do is wipe it off and then spray some WD-40 and then clean that up. Same thing with the gasket oil cap filter, this one. I can't find anything wrong in here. It's all clean. So that's that. Let's put this back on. I hope this is how you put it. Yep. And there it goes. You don't want to over tighten, just make sure they're tight enough. Yep, that should do. Alright, so now get the 22mm bolt and then put the washer on. Don't forget the washer. Get the spanner and then tighten that up. Okay, that's tight. Alright, so once that side is done, you have to come to this side, and then what you need to do before opening the oil filter cap is to get your engine oil. Open that up and then take a plastic cover. Before that, hold on, let me just unbox this one, the oil filter. So before you insert the oil filter into that, you need to lubricate this. So what we need to do is pour some engine oil into a plastic cover like this. It doesn't matter. You're not going to waste your engine oil. We can use this later. So I'm just gonna pour some into this. That much would be fine. And I'm gonna take the oil filter, put this into that. So let it soak there for a couple of minutes, and yeah, let's open this up while that gets lubricated. So again, a piece of cardboard. I'm gonna keep this over here. This should be fine, right? It has okay, that would do. Alright, so again, 8mm spanner. Again, like we did before, take this. There's a washer, so you need to get this off. Be careful with this guy. Yeah, just give it a normal wipe. Don't want to aggressively wipe this and break the spring. Don't do that. Just give it a subtle wipe. And once you do that, spray some WD-40. Make sure that is clean, and then take the cardboard off. You don't need that anymore, and you don't need this anymore for sure. I can confirm that. And yeah, let's get the oil filter from inside. So this is how it goes into the black color part, goes into that. All right, so I'm gonna place it inside. Okay, you need to tight 3 of them equally, otherwise you're gonna mess up the threads. So you need to pour in 2 liters. Well, the manual suggests 1.8 liters, but then it's just good for the bike. Trust me on this one. Again, you don't want to over tight this. Alright, so the moment of truth. Let's crank it up. Let the oil go through all of the engine parts. Looks good to me. There's no leak anywhere. Not this side or this side. I don't see any leak, so that's good. And do I call that a mission accomplished? I'm not sure. Yeah, this was my first time changing the engine oil, by the way. I just knew it the whole time, but I've never done it myself, so I hope it's smoother now. Let's go for a short spin right now. Let me go get my helmet, and I'll see you guys on the helmet view. Yeah, let's go. It's too sunny to go out right now, but then I really have to check how it's performing, you know. Yo, it definitely feels a lot smoother than before. A lot smoother. There's no vibrations at all. Yo, that's nice. I don't know, I'm just extremely happy right now. Might be for 2 reasons. 1, it's smoother, and 2, I did it by myself. I changed the engine oil by myself. I think I'm all set for the ride. I need to buy a couple of things. Visor for my helmet, pin lock visor, because it's monsoon, and a couple of luggage. I'm gonna make a video on all of those, so stay tuned. That's nice. And there's no leak over there. Perfect. Perfecto signo. Well, I've actually learned a lesson. That is, change the engine oil while it's time. Yeah? You know what? I might change my engine oil again after coming back from my ride. After, it's gonna be about maybe 3,500 or 4,000 kilometers. So I would technically have to change at that point, because these engine oil doesn't last a lot longer. So let's see. Let me see how my bike performs after the ride. Then I'll change it as when it needs to be. Right? Whoa, this place is nice. So the thing is, actually planning to get the 7100 Motul oil, but then it was too expensive, So I thought I would try the 5100 first, and maybe if this is not up to the mark, then I'll try 7100. Let's see how that goes then. From the reviews, forums and threads that I've read, I've come to a conclusion that both of these oils last the same time, but then that's a lot smoother. That's the only difference. If you use 7100, that's going to be a lot smoother, way smoother than this one, but both of these oils just last the same, so I don't see the point of that. I hope you guys like this video. I'll have to clean all this mess up right now, and yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye bye. What the okay, yeah, I'll see you guys later. You guys know the drill. What? I'll see you guys later. You guys know the drill. Like the video, share the video, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye bye.